Good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishwendra and I am going to discuss certain laws today in the form of worksheet. So let's begin. So here is the worksheet on gas laws. The first question is Boyle's law is. So Boyle's law is PV is equal to constant. P is the pressure and V is the volume of the ideal gas, and it is valid for constant temperature and fixed mass of the gas. Next is graph of Boyle's law. So we can say that P is proportional to 1 by V. So graph will be rectangular hyperbola. And if we have 2 points having coordinates 1 and 2, P1, V1, P2, V2, then we have the relation that P1, V1 is P2, V2, which is constant. Next is if we draw a graph between P and 1 by V, then it will be a straight line, as we can compare it by the standard equation y is equal to mx. So tan alpha here is P upon 1 by V or PV or nRT. So tan alpha is proportional to n into T.